Hey, what's up everybody, it's Dallas with Gadget Hacks, and today I'm going to show you how to fingerprint lock any app on Marshmallow. Now Samsung has had fingerprint scanners for a couple years now, but that was their own implementation. Starting with the Nexus 6P and Nexus 5X though, Android now supports fingerprint scanners natively. The new software code was added to AOSP with Android 6.0 Marshmallow, so in the future, all devices with compatible hardware should be able to use the new Fingerprint API instead of implementing their own proprietary versions. That means that at some point, app developers should start using fingerprint scanners instead of passwords in certain situations, like in your banking app for example. But until then, a new app called App Lock Fingerprint will let you lock any app using your fingerprint sensor on Android 6.0 or higher. It's available for free on the Google Play Store, and you don't need root to use it, so search it by name to get it installed, or you can use the link in step 1 of my full tutorial to skip straight to the download page. Now to get this one going, you'll obviously need a compatible device. Right now, that's basically limited to the new Nexus phones with their Nexus Imprint scanners, but I've already heard that this works with the beta release of Marshmallow for the Galaxy S6, so more phones are coming soon. Then on top of needing Android 6.0 or higher, you'll also need to have the fingerprint lock screen on your device set up already with fingerprints registered. But if you've already taken care of that stuff, setup is pretty simple, so let's see how it works. First up, the app will need to request a few permissions thanks to Android's new permission system. So on this first screen, tap Go to Settings, then find the App Lock entry on this next page, and enable the permission on the following screen. From here, head back to App Lock, and it'll ask for 2 more permissions. So repeat that same process for these next 2 permissions, and when you're done there, you'll be just about ready to go. Alright, so after giving App Lock all the permissions it needs, you'll be asked to scan your fingerprint. So take care of that, then you'll see a list of all your installed apps. So if you'd like to lock out any of these apps and require your fingerprint to use them, just toggle the switches next to them and you'll be all set. From here, anytime you open one of these apps in the future, you'll be asked to scan your fingerprint. Because of the permissions it requested, it's virtually impossible to bypass App Lock, so the app that's being locked out is totally secure. But when you want to use the app, simply scan your fingerprint and the app will unlock immediately. So it's an extra layer of security and it works quite well. And the best part is you get it all for free. But for the full breakdown, be sure to check out my article over on gadgethacks.com. And as always, we'd appreciate it if you would like and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel. So we'll see you again next time folks, but until then, happy gadget hacking.